Fortaleza, a vibrant city on Brazil's northeastern coast, has a history marked by contrasts of beauty and struggle, celebration and hardship. Founded in the late 17th century, it grew as a strategic military outpost for the Portuguese, later transforming into a bustling port and commercial hub. The city's architecture reflects this tumultuous past, where colonial forts stand alongside modern skyscrapers, a testament to its evolution. The people of Fortaleza, known as Fortalezenses, are characterized by their resilience and warmth, weaving a rich tapestry of cultural influences, from indigenous roots to African heritage. Festivals like the Festa de São José and the exuberant Carnival highlight the city's joyous spirit, yet beneath the surface, socio-economic disparities reveal a more complex narrative. Yet the beauty of Fortaleza is shadowed by urban challenges, including poverty and violence that echo through its streets. The bustling markets and lively beaches often coexist with neighborhoods grappling with crime and inadequate infrastructure. Despite these struggles, the community remains vibrant, showcasing a fierce pride in their identity through music, dance, and art. The rhythms of forró and the colorful displays of local craftsmanship speak to an unyielding spirit, a yearning for better days amid adversity. In Fortaleza, the interplay of light and shadow creates a dynamic landscape where hope and despair walk hand in hand, inviting reflection on the dualities of life in this coastal city. In the neighborhoods of Fortaleza, local people embody a resilience that defines the city's character. Streets are alive with the sounds of laughter and conversation as families gather in front of their homes, sharing stories and meals, their tables often laden with feijoada and fresh seafood. Vendors selling handmade crafts and tropical fruits line the sidewalks, their vibrant stalls inviting passers-by to indulge in the flavors of the region. The community thrives on interpersonal connections. Greetings are exchanged like currency, and the scent of warm pão de queijo wafts through the air, mingling with the salty breeze from the nearby ocean. Children play soccer in the streets, their joy infectious, while elders share wisdom and tales of times gone by, keeping the fabric of their culture tightly woven. Yet the challenges faced by many in these neighborhoods are ever present, a reminder of the complex social dynamics at play. Despite the rich cultural heritage, many families contend with economic hardships that force them to make difficult choices daily. The lack of access to quality education and healthcare creates a persistent cycle of poverty, yet it's met with an unwavering spirit of community. Neighborhood organizations and local leaders work tirelessly to uplift their peers, fostering a sense of solidarity that often transcends economic barriers. In Fortaleza's neighborhoods, the people's laughter rings louder than their struggles, a testament to their ability to find joy and hope even in the face of adversity, revealing the heart and soul of a city that continues to inspire.